Now, let's talk about how your existing data is being migrated, what your next steps are, and how you can share feedback to help us continue improving. If you're just joining Al-Nafi, you are already all set on the new portal. No extra steps needed. Welcome to our growing community. For existing learners, all your progress, completed courses, and certifications have been imported. For example, if you finish 20 out of 30 videos in a course, you'll see exactly that in the new system. We want you to keep learning without interruption. You'll have access to both portals for a while. Use this time to confirm that your diploma percentages and other progress indicators match up. If something looks off, let us know right away so we can fix it. Note that progress won't sync between the old and new portals after the migration date. From now on, please do all your coursework in the new portal. The old portal will be closed in a few days by 15th February 2025. So make sure you move your studies over as soon as possible. We value your input. We'll send you a Google form to gather feedback on the new portal. Your suggestions will help us refine and enhance your learning experience. Our dedicated support team is here to help with any issues you encounter. If you find any discrepancies or have questions, please feel free to reach out and we will work with you to ensure a smooth transition. Thank you for joining us today. It is time to move your studies to the new portal. Double check your progress, make sure everything is accurate, and do not hesitate to contact us at support@alnafi.com if you need any assistance. We appreciate your continued trust in Al-Nafi, and we cannot wait to see you excel on our new platform. Al-Nafi, education benefits all.